okay. Managed to get down to the allotment today. Just finished work. As you can see, I'm in my work t-shirt. Got a couple of bits I want to get done today. I want to get my runner beans down, and I want to pull up my courgettes because I think they've had its life now. So the grass needs trimming, which the husband's going to do while I'm getting this down. So that's it for now. So onwards. Alright, so when we made the frame, put some like little loop hooks on there so the beam frame can just go, the bamboo cane can just go through there. So it's a lot easier than just to pull off the bits without having to do any cutting, and so see how easy it all comes out. I have noticed today that it's a little bit wobbly, so next year we're going to make it a bit sturdier. I've only got a couple of screws holding it in that side to the side of the wood, so try and unscrew them and then lay it down over winter so it doesn't fall over if we have a gale. So there you go, that's one cane out. Cut a few bits just because it's wrapped around here. But say it comes out a lot easier, so none of this trying to unravel it from the sticks. So that one. I'm not tall enough. So next year, what I want to do is get some proper bits of wood to strengthen the top bit, and maybe a couple of bits at the bottom. But I'll work something out on a piece of paper another time. My main priority now is to get everything sorted out for winter and get everything down and covered over. So this is coming up quite easy. You know what I might do next year?
Oh, yeah.
Get some wood there and make some little holes to put these in it, because that'll make it a bit sturdier, won't it?
That'd be interesting.
Well, I don't need to make a big hole, just like a slot for them to go in. Yeah. Yeah. Because then we can move the whole lot together, and that'll make it even sturdier.
Like that.
Yeah.
That's what I didn't tell you.
What?
So when I come down here on my own, right?
When?
Earlier.
Yeah.
There was a worm that's about that big. So I was looking at it.
Slow one?
No, it's a normal worm.
Oh.
And it was trying to go down a hole.
Yeah.
Right? No, serious.
Yeah.
So I thought
It's
I'd
a
save
joke.
it. No, so I
Where's
thought
the
I'd save
joke?
it. You know what I'm like?
Yeah.
With bugs and stuff, I like to save it.
Mm.
No, so it weren't going down the hole. So I thought I'll pull it and try and put it somewhere. There's a centipede that wrapped itself around the worm.
Ooh.
And it was trying to pull the worm into the hole.
Oh my lord.
And it actually was pulling it into the hole. I videoed it.
Jesus.
Yeah, I videoed it.
Ooh.
I'll post it on the
Yeah.
I did save it.
Yeah. Is
It's
that
in your
cutting?
compost.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's long. You
Yeah, I
should
know.
put your lawnmower.
Hopefully the screwdriver will work. Oh, look, I need to repair that and all. Oh, a lot of wood repairing to do next year. Right, I'm not sure which. I think I might have to take these canes out if we're going to lay it down. One side. Yeah, because they're going to break, I think, if we lay it down.
Might be alright.
Yeah, if I put them in, if I put these in, sort of at an angle, and lay it down this way, hopefully they're not going to break. If they do, then I'll just have to put some new ones in. That's why I need that bit of wood at the bottom with some holes in. One's fallen out already, broken. Alright, let's see if I can get that unscrewed. Move this out of the way. Oh, I think there's only 2 screws. Oh no, there's about 4 screws in there. No, I think there's more than 4. Ugh. For shit.
What's that?
That's a lumber turd.
Oh.
That's too big. It's too big. If I don't, I'll have to come down and do it tomorrow. Cool, it's got warm.
Excuse me.
I think there's about 2, 4, 6, 8 in there.
Oh, joy.
Not going, is it? No, let's have to wait for the. Yeah, so I'll leave it like that for now.
They are quite tight.
Yeah, I wouldn't take them. I wouldn't take them all out now in case we have some wind and it falls over.
Yeah, they're rubbish.
It's the only one I've got.
Yeah, no, I don't know because
Yeah.
I'm doing threads.
Yeah, we'll do it tomorrow then. Yeah, I need to bring the drill down. My little screwdriver's not strong enough for that, so I'll have to pop down tomorrow and do that one. And probably clear up another bed. I might do the rhubarb bed tomorrow as well. A few weeds in there. And I might even do the raspberries, cut them down because they've finished now. So I've still got courgettes growing, look. Those things with the flower on the end. That one's rank.
Oh, so.
Yeah, so I'm not cutting them down yet then. And that one's got one on there. So see how that goes then. So I'm not cutting them down. Look, we've got a couple sort of coming in there. Right, that's that job then. I'm not cutting them down. Right, so what am I going to do? What job can I do?
We're just cutting the raspberries down.
I can do that. Time-wise, it's up to you. It's 12 o'clock. I can make a start on some. Strawberry, which is non-existent. Oh God, I've got itchy nose now. Just going to cut some of these raspberries back. Try and get a little bit of it done. Ouch, they're prickly. Okay, so next year I want to thin these out a bit. They're getting a little bit too many because I can't get to the middle ones. So I'm going to try and dig some of this row out and hopefully, ouch, see what happens. Thing is, these don't decompost very well, so you have to cut them down. This is a time-consuming job. Because not only that, the frame that's holding them up is breaking anyway, so that's one of the reasons why I want to get rid of this row. Yeah, so the grapevine, well, I'm going to leave it this year because these woody bits, I've read somewhere, is where you get the offshoot bits, and that's where the grapes form, so I'm not quite sure which bits I'm meant to cut off. So that's an offshoot of that, so that might be next year's growth cane. So I'm going to leave it until the winter when all the leaves have gone and have a look through, see what ones, like these silly little bits I could probably get rid of, but leave the main branch bits. So I'll just wait and see for that one. I'll get this lot done first. Oh, but it is back breaking this. Oh. If you give them to me, if you cut them and give them to me, I'll cut them up. Ouch. Actually, it'd probably be better me grabbing a couple of long bits and cutting them over there. So this is going to get full up so quick.
Right.
When you stand back there, that looks lopsided.
How does your brain work?
Stand back there and look. That looks lopsided. Like it's like that.
It does, yeah. Does that matter?
No, I'm just saying. But it never used to.
That's doing you in there, isn't it?
Oh, I think this has come up. That's why. Look, yeah, look. That needs repairing.
Nearly went.
Right. I think that's it then. Yeah, so a bit of weeding to do, but slowly. There's my parsnips. I think there's going to be quite a few parsnips in there. Tomatoes are still ripening. Pumpkins are still ripening. You know, they're funny shaped. Carrots still to dig up.
Slowly emptying, isn't it?
Yep. Yep, this bed's all done now. And then, yeah, probably leave these in here till next. Oh yeah. No. Yeah. It's over there.
I was actually looking for it.
Yeah, it's over there. That's it. It's just flown away now. It's gone. Yeah.
Parasite.
Yeah. Squashes are still squashing. Oh my god, that's huge.
Double hander.
Look at the size of that one though. Look. That don't look like a squash. That looks like, I don't know what that looks like.
It's like a fat squash.
Yeah. Well, there's a tiny little one there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. No, probably another 5 squashes to pick. Oh, 6 with that one down there, 7. And the rest are all pumpkins, which are still trying to turn colour. Got a few more tomatoes ready to be picked tomorrow. And they'll be done. Yeah, a couple of cauliflowers still growing. Only going to be small heads. And then obviously I can't cover this up because I'm not moving the frame this year. But it's got a bed there. Hey?
The sweet corns are rubbish.
They were absolutely terrible this year. So it's funny, the only one thing I had good in this bed was the peas. Runner beans, no, I'm not the only one who's had problems with runner beans. A couple of my friends have. So it might have been something this year, too hot, too soon, too early. But yeah, the rest of it's done alright. Had some good potatoes, good broccoli. Yeah. Yeah. Need to weed these flower beds and get some bark and get rid of this rubbish on this walkway. But yeah, need to cover this over. Lavender's, I think, done its bit now. That needs trimming back. And it only needs trimming back to the first bit. So
I'll try and do something this next year. Some bulbs and stuff.
There's got loads of bulbs in there.
Well, they haven't done very well then, have they?
Well, I've cut a lot down.
Well, maybe I'll get some back.
You won't be able to there because that stuff there with that yellow flower grows everywhere. But the bees like it. That's what you want.
That's what you want.
Yeah. Thingy's starting to grow again. Already.
Peonies?
No. That's peony in there. We've got them at home. What do you call them? Dahlias. That's a dahlia. That's a dahlia. Peony's in here. I only planted one peony. Yeah, definitely a dahlia. And there was a dahlia there as well. Alright. So I need to bring a bag of bark down while it's nothing growing so I can cover it over, stop the weeds hopefully for next year. Right, I think it's drinky time. Yeah. Do need to get a broom now and sweep a lot of this rubbish up. I need to bring my broom down. No, acorns, because they start growing. I need to sweep them up. So if I get a broom, and I can sweep them up. Right. So I know it's all a bit overgrown over there, but that's the row of potatoes that I sowed from the ones I had at home as an experiment to see what they'd turn up like. So that's going to be next week's job, weather permitting, to see what they've done like. These I'm going to leave in there because they were late being put in, but I don't know if they're going to still grow. They're cauliflowers and Romanesco cauliflowers, which I've never grown before. So we'll see what happens. If they grow, they grow. If they don't, they don't. And then I had some broccoli here, which I've obviously cut the head, so I'm just waiting to see if they shoot any more little bits. It might be too late, but they were nice big heads, those ones were this year.
Can you get some heads off the other ones? the same thing.
Yeah,
Oh.
but they weren't as big as those ones. Right. And then try and get that bed covered up. I've still got peppers and chilies growing, so I can't cover them up yet until they're pulled up. They haven't done much. That's the last sowing of radish, but we'll see what happens. Alright, so that's it. Okay, so I've got the last of the run of beans, so it's probably a dinner's worth. That's it for today. I was going to pull up the courgettes, but I noticed there was a couple still growing, so I've left that now for a couple more days, see what happens. Yeah, I've still got some peppers and chilies to pick, and some potatoes, a few other bits, but that's it for today. So hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and keep watching. Thank you. At least it won't fly over. Yeah, it's warm. Right, where did you put the screws? Oh.